Never have I seen old harbor like this in a long while. Like, brother, you can't see the road.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're here with your girl Jamaican Chem. Yes, I know it's been a while, but I'm here. Just been busy with work and stuff. But guys, you know, I have to catch you up on what's been happening in Jamaica with the storm. Elsa is going on with a lot of things in Jamaica, guys, as you can see. So just stay tuned and have a look. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not yet subscribed. Turn on your post notification so you get updated whenever I post another video.
Yo, me a turn got me yard. And me a tell you say the crooks them out. I hope I see this, you know. Live and in living color. Young crocodile up and out.
Look for the gully. Over my brother yard and him now come out time out. Why not Natalie them stand up there, sir?
It is Margie and the water is high and nobody can cross it. Only who understand it cross it. Water there I'm in need.
You know here, brother. Look how long me a shout at that. Gonna have some gear, brother. Try and move that now.
Watch it.
Watch all the man upon the car top of ball for help. Lord Jesus Christ. Jamaica nice.
Yeah. I mean, man.